My prince, you asked me to come.
Zina, I'm going to go straight to the point. I want you tonight. Get on the bed and lie down. Are you deaf? I said get on the bed and lie down.
I'm sorry, my prince. I won't.
You won't or you can't?
My prince, I can't do it. Because I've not done it before.
What do you mean by you have not done it before? Are you a virgin or something? How old are you?
My prince, I came working at the palace. Immediately I finished my secondary school. And since then, I've not gone out of the palace. Until now, that the queen asked me to come and say,
Enough! With this mumbo jumbo you're spewing here. Zina, that changes nothing. Get on the bed and lie down.
I won't and I can't, my prince.
Are you disobeying a direct order from the crown prince? You want to sleep outside tonight?
My prince, they said sex is a bond between two soulmates who have agreed to spend the rest of their lives together. And I intend to keep myself for my own soulmate. So I think I will go with the idea of me sleeping outside. If you don't mind, my prince, I would like to take my leave.
I overheard the queen telling Princess Lucy that you're going to be staying with the crown prince in his new apartment. Linda, you and this your ear. I'm a boy.
Anyway, it's true. The queen said I'll be staying with the prince to attend to his needs and do the house chores too. What is it?
Tell me, how do you feel being a personal maid to the crown prince?
And how am I supposed to feel? Good? Feel good? Mm-hmm. Really? My dear, there is no stabbing the queen and the crown prince. It's the same thing.
Come off it. It's not the same thing. You and I know the prince is very handsome and attractive. So you have to attend to him in a very... Do you know what I mean?
I don't know what you mean.
I just wish it's me.
And if it's you, what will you do?
The way I'll carry my body around here, the way I'll carry my body, he can never resist me. You know me now.
Anyway, thank God. Thank God I am not you. See, Linda, I am going there to serve the priest and nothing more. And besides, what will a priest do with a commoner like me? Me being in love with the prince, it is impossible, Linda. Impossible!
Zina, just do as I say. You'll be surprised. He might start looking your way.
Look my way?
Yes.
Or have you forgotten that the prince is betrothed to Chioma, the king's best friend's daughter?
Oh, that's Chioma. That sports brat. Mentioning her name alone makes me sick. My dear, that girl is the opposite of good. She's very rude and disrespectful. The only people she respects is the king and the queen. I pity that cute young man. What is going to happen to him when he ends up with that sports brat? What?
Well, Linda, let's leave that for the gods. It is not for us to decide what will happen to him.
Zina, that is why you have to do as I say. So that the place can look your way and not us.
Linda, I won't.
And I cannot do it. Chai, count me out. And he dey fall my hand. Chai, I wish it was me. And that prince is very cute. So, has nose. Fine. I sure met you. The way I don't move this my small body around that man, eh? He can never resist me.
Everything has been arranged. You're the one we're waiting for. Okay. So, when are you coming back? Oh. Okay. Alright, no problem. Just take good care of yourself, okay? I'll see you. I love you. Bye.
Mother, when did he say he's coming home?
In 4 days. He wants to tidy up a lot of things before coming home.
Oh, okay.
Honestly, I don't understand why he does not want to stay here. He says he wants to be on his own. I don't know.
I don't know, Eva. But mother, maybe he just needs some privacy or space to himself.
What privacy, what space? This fallacy is big enough.
Mother, you know he has been staying alone in the States. And maybe he wanted to continue that way. He is a grown-up man, remember?
What? I know, but he's still my son.
Oh, mother. Am I not your daughter? Am I here?
You are.
But that is a grown-up man now and he doesn't need his mother to take care of him. He can take care of himself.
He's a big man, but he's still my child.
Just allow him to stay on his own if he wants. I'm here for you, mother. It's sorry. Don't get rid of me yet.
I won't. Linda! Linda!
Zina!
Yes?
The queen demands your presence.
Where is she?
At the sitting room.
Let's go in there. My queen, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. The prince will be returning in 4 days. And he's not going to be staying here in the palace. So you will be going to that place to stay with him, okay?
My queen, you mean me?
Of course, you. You go there and take care of everything in that house. It's cooking, washing, sweeping, everything. Okay?
Okay, my queen.
So by tomorrow, I'll be taking you to that place to tidy up the apartment before he comes.
Okay, my queen.
You may leave now.
Yes, my queen.
I didn't show the girl.
Okay. I'll trust him. I'll talk to you later.
Mother. How are you?
I'm good.
Oh my God.
What is it?
I forgot to pick a dress for the party.
What party?
Chima's birthday party that is coming up this weekend.
Oh, really? Oh.
My God, I need to get a dress for this party. Zina! Zina!
My princess, you called me.
Yes, I did. I'm having a party and I forgot to get a dress. Please, you are coming with me to the boutique tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yes, mother.
Oh no, that's not possible. Tomorrow is out of the question.
Why, Mom?
You know, your brother will be coming back. I'm taking her to the apartment where your brother will be staying. I want her to do the initial cleaning. And since she's the one that will be staying with him, it's better she does the cleaning. You can go with any other.
She's going to stay with him?
Of course, yes.
Mother, you know Zina has always gone with me to the boutique.
You have to choose somebody else this time. You can take Linda or somebody else, okay?
Mother, Zina he has been helping me with all my needs, including the palace.
I know. That was why I chose her personally, to be the one to stay there.
Twinkle, I'll call you later.
Okay, my princess. My queen.
Mother.
My princess.
Zina. Yes, my queen.
Here we are. This is my son's house. Where you will be staying. Okay?
Okay, my queen.
He does not like dirt. He likes everywhere to be sparkling clean. You have to take care of him and make sure you clean everywhere. Okay?
Yes, my queen.
Please, I don't want him to complain about anything. You're welcome, Liz. Come. Mama. My son. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mom. Mom, I've missed you. It's so good to be back.
I know. I missed you more. Oh. How was your trip back home?
Oh, it was good. Actually, it was amazing.
Good to hear that.
Mom, you're looking as amazing as ever.
Oh.
You're taking good care of yourself, I see.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
My prince, can you get my things from the car?
His luggage.
Okay, my prince.
Thank you. My little Diane. Oh, my.
You've grown up big. More. She was a toddler when I left for the States, right?
Not really a toddler.
Oh my God. Wow. When I saw your pictures online, I thought my eyes were deceiving me. But now, I can see you're big for real. And I thank God you're doing well.
Thank you, big brother. I hope you brought me some goodies from the States.
Goodies. I imagine since you're a grown-up now, you don't need things like that.
Brother! Big brother, come on. Just because I'm a grown-up doesn't mean I cannot get goodies from my big brother.
Well, I'll check inside my luggage. Then maybe I can say a thing or two for my baby sister.
Zena! Zena!
Where is this girl?
Zena!
Yes, my queen. My goodness.
Where were you? Must I lose my voice?
I'm sorry, my queen. I was in the princess room trying to put things in order.
Okay. Son, this is Zena. Son? Son, you okay?
Yes, Mom, I'm fine.
Are you sure?
Yes, Mom, I promise you I'm doing fine.
Okay. This is Zena. She'll be staying with you and attending to all your needs.
You're welcome, my prince.
You are being given the best maid in the palace.
Well, I don't need her. I can take very good care of myself.
Well, Mom thinks you need her, and I also think you do, so she stays.
Go and prepare something for him to eat, okay?
Yes, my queen. My prince.
She is not a babysitter, okay? Just go and freshen up.
Mom, honestly, we're going to revisit this topic.
For now, you need to relax.
Do gossip.
She's not going. She's...
I know.
My prince.
My mother and sister have just left.
Yes, my prince. Is there something you need?
You can call me Ben.
I'm sorry, my prince. But the tradition does not permit us to address the royal family by their names.
I was Just going to the kitchen to get a glass of juice, then I decided to check on the rooms.
No, my prince, it's my job to serve you.
Look, you don't have to do every little thing for me. There are some things I'll need to do myself, okay? You're a good cook.
Thank you, my prince.
Zina. Please, 4 minutes.
Okay, my prince.
And now this food is delicious.
Thank you, my prince. Thanks. Your water.
You're an amazing cook.
Thank you. My prince, I'll be in the kitchen if you need anything else. Enjoy your food.
Yeah, who they laugh? Where did you come by there?
I came back 2 days ago.
So you got back over 48 hours and you didn't bother to tell me. If not that I saw your sister and she told me you're back, you wouldn't have. Oh, see, guy, you try. You try, Apex.
James, calm down now. Look, I'm sorry, huh? I wanted to settle in, put everything in place, then hit you up.
Now why you know if you tell your own guy?
Look, I'm going to apologize. With a bottle of wine, whiskey, tequila. Tell me, what do you want? Talk now. I said I'm sorry.
Red wine, here is
Zina! Zina!
Yes, my prince.
over that side, sir.
Bro.
Mix has already.
Just there anyhow.
My prince, you called.
Yes. Can I have the bottle of blue wine?
Okay, my prince.
That's my maid.
So beautiful.
Oh.
Then she looks good. She looks like she fell right from the heavens just for me. I need her.
No. James, no.
Can I offer you? Why are you saying this?
Why? I know you, of course. You don't have anything serious to do with any woman. You just want to sleep with them and... Okay. Bring 2 glasses. So this is my apology.
Okay. Your apology.
Say.
James. My friends call me Jay. I'm Ben's best friend.
Good morning, sir.
Zina, how are you doing? That will be all.
I'm fine.
Make I go to the keyboard.
Hey.
Jay,
Hey, my guy.
have you eaten? That's the best you could do. That's the best you could come up with. Have you eaten?
Yeah. Didn't see that.
Why are you two women in Nigeria?
Oh no, she's so fine, guy.
Have you eaten?
Don't you think you should sleep too?
She's a maid. She has been working in the kitchen. What do you think she has eaten?
I think I can work for you. I'm my guy.
As what exactly?
Meat.
Have you eaten? No, I've not eaten.
One guy past speaking. My G.
Wow, Oga, behave yourself. Where's this Zina?
brother.
You.
How are you doing?
I'm good. What are you doing here? Why are you here?
To see you, of course. Or is it now a crime to come see my big brother?
Of course not. It is not a crime. You can come here anytime you want.
I know. Well, I came here to check for my gold chain. I think I misplaced it here the last time I came. So where is Zina?
I think she's somewhere else.
Zina!
Here's my princess.
Zina, welcome my princess. So good to see you. Please, I'm looking for my gold chain. Have you seen it anywhere? Yes, I did. Thank God. Please, come get it for me.
Okay, my princess.
Zina. Big brother. So you didn't miss me?
Wait a minute. Where are you going to dress like this?
Chiama's birthday party. You remember her, right?
Choma. Oh, I do. The daughter of Dad's best friend.
Yes. Come to think of it, let's go there together. She'll be so happy to see you.
To
Her birthday party, of course.
Come on, you know I don't like birthday parties. And parties in general. Plus the loud music in those areas.
Think, brother, you're a sadist.
I said no, don't milk.
My princess, Zina, here is a chain.
Let me have it. Thank you so much.
Let me help.
Oh, thank you. Thank you, Zina. Right. Let me help you with that. Thank you. Thank you, darling.
Welcome.
The second reason I came. Zina, my darling.
Yes, my princess.
How do I look?
Wait, don't tell me. Don't tell me you were left all the way from the palace to my house so Zina could tell you how you look.
Of course, big brother. Zina here has always been my mirror. And she has the right words. So, how do I look? Do I look beautiful?
Well, my princess, you look you.
I look me.
Hmm?
What does that even mean? How does it relate to my question?
Well, it does, my princess. How can you ask if you're beautiful when you're beauty itself?
Okay, big brother, I told you. She has the right words. Thank you, Zina. Okay, big brother. I should be going now.
Okay, take good care of yourself, okay?
Oh, thank you.
My princess.
See that?
My prince.
Hey, Zina. How are you?
I'm fine, my prince. My prince, if you will permit me, I would like to go to the palace to get the rest of my things.
In that case, we are going to go together.
No, my prince, I can go on my own.
I know you can go on your own, but I have to be at the palace as well. So we're going to go together.
But my prince,
Zina,
yes, my prince.
are you disobeying me?
No, my prince, I'm not.
So go upstairs, change up, and when I'm ready, I'll call you, okay?
Okay, my prince.
Did she just come out of the prince's car? Greetings.
My goodness.
Oh,
Come on. That's so good to see.
Same here. Good to see you too.
How long has it been? I think the last time I saw you was when I was living in the States.
And you seem to forget that I came with Lucy and Lemon to drop off at the airport.
Zina, I thought it was my eyes that was deceiving me when I saw you come out from the princess car.
My sister, your eyes were not deceiving you.
So you came with the prince. Zina, with the prince.
Of course, with the prince. I told him I was coming to the palace and insisted I join him in his car since he was coming to the palace.
Wait, he insisted you both come together.
Yeah.
Hey, my girl is that. Did you do that thing?
Linda, I told you I can't do it. I told you. Let me go get my things ready.
I will just help you. Okay, go.
You safer.
You came back. Since how many days have you been back? Because I heard your mom talking inside. And you didn't even bother to come and see me or come for my birthday party. That's really bad of Ruby.
Well, Lucy, Look, with the long trip, I was so tired and I needed time to rest. Okay?
Yeah,
I
but at
apologize.
least you should have called.
I am sorry. That's my bad.
It's okay. But you still owe me one birthday gift. Or a lot.
Of course, absolutely.
Okay.
I'll make it up to you.
Sure. I have to go. I've been here for a while. I thought you'd come back early, but I really gotta go.
Okay, that's fine. My regards to your dad.
Sure, I'll tell him. All right. Take care. Okay. Bye.
Bye. Mother, so how did the meeting go?
it went well. It was nice.
Okay,
Mm-hmm.
it's good to know.
Oh, by the way, did you see Choma on your way in?
Oh, yes.
Oh,
She's grown.
she has grown into a very beautiful lady, only fit for my prince.
Yes, sure is.
Zina,
Yes.
tell me about the prince. Apart from being handsome, what else have you observed about him?
Well, he's nice, smart, kind, and very funny at times. He's someone who appreciates everything you do for him, even when he knows it's your job. The prince is so...
What? Look at the way you're saying it. Like someone who is crushing on the prince.
Linda, I'm not. You asked me about the prince, and I just told you. But you're misinterpreting it to be like a crush on him.
I'm not. It's because you're saying it with so much smile on your face. Wait. If all you said about the prince is true, that means he's also crushing on you now.
No, my dear. The princess is nice to me also. And he even actually told me to address him by his name, Ben.
He did what?
Yes, exactly what I just said. But I told him tradition does not permit such, that I can address him by his name.
Zina. And you said the prince is not crushing on you. Come on, girl. He likes you.
No, he doesn't. Or have you forgotten? He's betrothed to Chioma. And you think the prince will leave such a beautiful lady for a commoner like me? No way.
Zina, it's possible. Haven't you heard of stories like that?
In movies, I guess.
Just imagine when you start acting as I told you. You have his head
on your palm, just like Herod's wife. Do it, girl. Why are you wasting time?
No, I can't do it. See, I think I won't listen. Just listen. I think the prince likes you already.
Well, son, that means it won't be as hard as I thought.
Mother, what are you talking about?
Oh, okay. Son, I know it is your life. But I think it's about time you settled down.
Yes, Mother, you're right. I have actually taken some time to think about it. Okay? And I think it's high time I look for a lady, settle down and start my own family. So, when I've seen the right lady, I'll bring her to you.
Well, son, there's no point searching. I've already found a girl for you. A well-behaved girl from a good family.
You have found a girl for me.
Mm-hmm.
Mother, this is the 21st century. The parents still look for partners for their sons.
I know, but this one is different. Like I said, she is well-behaved from a good background. I'm sure she will make a good wife.
Okay, Mother, let's entertain this for the sake of the conversation. Who is this girl?
Her name is Chioma.
Chioma.
The same Chioma.
Okay, look. Mom, I'm going to talk to her about it.
There's no point talking because I already have spoken to her. And she said yes. Even her people, her father, everybody said yes. So...
Zina!
My prince. My prince. Good morning, my prince. My prince, you called me.
What is the time?
Past 11.
Is there a clock on that wall?
My prince, I'm sorry.
Look at the clock. Look at the clock! What is the time?
Past 11.
How many minutes past 11? How many minutes past 11?
5 minutes. My prince.
Obviously, you don't know how to read the time, right? It's 15 minutes past 11. 15 minutes! So tell me, why haven't I had my breakfast?
I'm sorry, my prince, but I didn't want to disturb your sleep.
You didn't want to disturb my sleep. So because of that, I had to sleep past my breakfast time. Are you daft? Do I have to teach you how to do your job? Do I? Are you daft? Look at the time. I haven't had my breakfast. If I have my breakfast at past 11, when am I going to have my lunch? Answer me, woman! Look, this should be the first and the last something like this happens in this house. I have my breakfast by 8, my lunch by 2, and my dinner by 6 p.m. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, my
And I'm better there and make my breakfast for me.
My prince, what would you like to have for breakfast?
Oh my God! My breakfast is not ready. My breakfast is not ready at this time. Go in there and make my breakfast. Go! Right, I want bread and tea for breakfast. Get in there and make bread and tea for me now. What is this?
Coffee, sir.
Are you insane? You call this coffee? You call this nonsense coffee? Don't you know how to make a cup of coffee anymore?
I'm sorry, sir.
Come and take this thing out before I boil it. Come back here. So, what are you allowing with a spoon for?
I'm sorry, sir.
And who asked you to leave? Get this out of you. And bring me a bottle of wine immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
Well, I'm here. Nah. Just thinking if you'd love to have dinner with me. Tomorrow. No, I know. I know this doesn't make up for the birthday gift. But it's a step forward, right? So tell me, what do you say? You, me, dinner date tomorrow? Okay? So it's a dinner date then. Okay, bye. Talk to you later, okay? Zina! Zina!
My prince. My prince.
Are you this? How many times must I call you before you present yourself in front of me?
I'm sorry, my prince.
Be sorry for your damn self. I'm expecting an important guest tomorrow for dinner.
Okay, my prince.
I want you to prepare something delicious for us.
Okay, my prince.
Do not disappoint me. This is a very important guest.
Yes, sir.
Now get out of here.
Thank you, sir.
Well, as you can see, I made all this for you. Specially prepared.
Especially, you say.
Yes, and
Oh, not bad.
dig it.
Sure.
What is this? Who made this salty poison and call it food? This is too salty.
Zina! Zina!
My prince.
Why is this food so salty?
Salty?
Yes, salty. Are you insane? What are you trying to do? Why is this food so salty?
But my prince, when I tasted the food, it wasn't salty.
Wait. Are you calling me a liar?
No.
Are you calling me a liar? Because that's exactly what you're doing.
How dare you call her a liar? Look, you're going to answer for this. I promise you.
I'm sorry. Ma, I'm sorry.
Amis, Choma, look, I'm very sorry for all this, okay? Why don't we go out of here? I take you somewhere nice. We have a meal so we can continue what we started here.
Okay, please, let's just get out of here.
Mavis, I'm sorry. I don't understand. What is wrong with this food? I prepared this food the way I always do. Huh? This food is sweet now. Eh? The food is sweet now. I've tasted that one. It is also sweet. Then how come she said the food is salty? Which kind of wahala be this one now? Food that I always cook again? Eh? Hi. And the priest is angry. What do I do? What do I do now? Hey!
I give you a simple instruction. I am expecting an important guest. Prepare something delicious for me. No, you went ahead and prepared rubbish. Rubbish!
My ways. I'm sorry. But I don't know how the food got so salty.
Who do you know? You don't ought to do anything. You don't know how the food got salty. Am I the one who prepared that food? So how did it get salty?
Please. I don't know.
Decided. You're going to leave this house.
This.
Oh, no, it's obvious. Since as you're useless, there is nothing useful you can do in this house. You rather leave?
Please don't do this to me. I'm sorry. Please, I'm sorry. Please. Please, I'm sorry. Please don't do this to me. I'm happy. Please, I beg you. Please don't do this.
No, everything is right. So, like I was saying, I'll fill you in when I'll come back. Yes, as soon as we get back, I'll give you a call. Okay, talk to me, Sama.
Who was that?
That was James.
Oh, James. You mean the son of your father's former driver? That James?
Babe, come on, you don't have to put it like that.
Oh, please. Why are you even friends with him? I mean, how does it make sense? He's beneath your class.
Babe, I like him. And moreover, we've been through a lot together. Even before I traveled to the States, he has always been there for me. We have been through too much together.
He went through all of that because it is his job to do so. I mean, he's a commoner and you are a prince. How are you even friends with him because he's doing what he's supposed to do in the first place?
Baby, that as it may, I like moving with him.
How does it make sense? Eh? Do you want my friends to laugh at me? How do you expect them to react when they find out that my fiancé, the prince, is friends with a nobody?
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Cut it off. Cut off the friendship. You can't be friends with him. He's below your class. So just end this whatever thing you call it.
Okay, I'll cut it off. I'm going to do as you say, so are you willing?
Yeah, sure, humbly.
Let's bounce. After you. Oh. You this girl. Why did it take you so long to open that door?
My prince, I was sleeping in my room. I didn't hear the door ringing.
So because you were sleeping, you kept us waiting outside for such a long time.
So I'm sorry, ma.
You this girl.
You must be very stupid. I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry.
You're becoming something else in this house.
Zina! Zina!
Yes, ma. Yes, ma. You called me.
Why do I have to be calling you over and over and over again before you answer?
I'm sorry, ma. I was at the backyard sweeping.
Ah, so the broom blocks your ear, B.
No, ma.
Take this clothes, wash them,
Okay, ma.
properly, iron them. I spill something on it, and then focus on the neck area. What are you still looking at? Take these things. Wash them and then bring them back.
Okay, ma. What's wrong with you?
What is this? Look at what you did to my dress. Look at what you did to my dress. I gave you a very simple instruction. Wash it! And you went ahead to destroy it.
What's going on here?
Sorry, ma.
Baby, look. Look at what this stupid girl did to my dress.
What did you do to her dress?
My prince. I actually soaked all the clothes together. I didn't know which one had bleach on it, so it got stained.
You didn't know what?
It's okay, babe. Hey. I'm going to get you a new one, okay?
Baby, but this is my favorite. I like this one.
Babe, I know. Look, first thing tomorrow morning, we're going to go to the shop. I'm not going to buy just one dress for you, but at least 5. Okay. Are you happy?
Yeah.
What are you still doing? Will you get out of this place?
Useless girl.
She's so beautiful. She is so sweet and nice. But her character is something else.
Sir, please, you can sit.
Thank you. So how are you doing?
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon.
Sir, the prince is not around.
Yes. I'm aware of that, but I came in to see you.
To see me?
There's something I want us to talk about, Zena.
And what is it, sir?
Ever since the first day I saw you, there's this feeling I've never felt that just popped up, and whenever I come back here to see my friend and I get to see you, that feeling keeps growing stronger and stronger and stronger.
Sir, I still don't understand what you're saying.
How old are you, Seth? Okay, Zena, I'm saying I have feelings for you, Zena.
Sir, please don't touch me. Welcome, my prince.
Was my sister here today?
No, my prince.
She was supposed to come around to pick some documents I had for the king. Did she send the driver or anyone?
No one came here, my prince, except Mr. James.
James?
Yes, my prince.
Why was he here when he knew I wasn't going to be around? He what?
He came to see me.
And why would James want to see you? So that is how you lure different men into my house when I'm not around. Oh yes, because I know my friend James will never go as low as having something to do with a mermaid. So you are throwing yourself at my friend.
No.
That's what you're doing.
No, my prince. I have never done that.
Leave this place.
My prince.
Hello. Hi. Good day, Your Majesty. How are you? Fine, thanks, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are your parents?
They are very well, thank you.
So glad to hear that.
Yes. Your Majesty, these are the documents that my father promised to give you.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Say thank you to him, okay? And tell him that I'll call to thank him specially.
No problem.
Thank you.
Yes, and he also said he would let you know when the other one has been concluded.
That would be nice. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope you and my son are getting on well.
Yes, Your Majesty. Everything is going great.
Good. I want you both to hurry it up. Hasten things. Okay?
Yes, Your Majesty. You know, if it was up to me, we'll be married by now. But the prince is so old-fashioned. I know he loves to take things gradually.
I know I'll talk to him because I need to start carrying my grandchildren.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Okay. Let me call them so that they'll get something for you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Later.
Come in.
Good morning, my prince.
Zina, what is it?
Your breakfast is ready, my prince.
So because of breakfast, you are here to disturb my beautiful sleep?
I'm sorry, my prince, but you told me to prepare your breakfast on time. When I do, if you are not downstairs, I should come call you.
So what is the time?
It's about 8, my prince.
You can go downstairs. I'll be right there.
Okay, please.
Zina! Zina! Are you insane? Are you insane? Why serving me cold coffee? Why?
Cold? It was hot when I said it.
Come and take this thing and go inside before I put you in the pot and boil you myself.
My prince, take up.
James. Perverse. For how long are those friends?
Since we were kids, my prince.
And in all that time, I've not just treated you as a friend, but also as a brother, right?
Yes, my prince. I don't understand where your question is headed.
I asked you not to do something, and you went ahead and did it anyway.
What is that, my prince?
Zina.
Oh,
I asked you not to go after her, but you did.
I'm sorry for disobeying you, my prince, but I couldn't hold myself back from approaching her. You know, Zina is very beautiful and... my friends, I'm sorry.
She is my maid.
Yes, your maid, no doubts about that. And a very beautiful one, my friends. Yes, I know I approached her, but I approached her in good faith to, start a relationship, something serious. So please don't think that I approached her to just use and dump her. No, I really do like her. I like Zina a lot. But my prince, what I don't understand is why you don't want me around her. Or
what?
Or are you having feelings for her? Is that why you're being protective about her? Oh, you do?
I beg your pardon. That's what feelings for a maid. My maid.
Then my prince, why are you stopping me from being with her?
Ma, what will people say? That my friend is having an affair with my maid.
Please, you're my friend. I know you too well. You don't care about what people say or what they think about you. Else you won't be friends with the son of a former palace driver.
Choma was right. I made a mistake. It was a mistake for me to be friends with the son of
Son of what? No, son of what? Say it. Say it with your full chest. Son of an ordinary former palace driver, right? Oh, now I'm a nobody. I'm not of your class, not of your level, because of what Choma said. That's point root brash.
Watch your tone, James.
Do not forget your place. I am your prince. I could have you tied and flogged for all I care.
I'm sorry, my prince. I'm sorry. Don't be offended. But please don't forget who you are. And don't let what people say change the person that you are. And for Zina, she turned me down.
So this is what has been going on in my house. You can't deny it.
No, sir.
I've caught you red-handed.
No, sir, it's not what you think.
Who is your sir? You would address me as my prince.
My prince.
Again.
My prince.
So why are you trying to deny what I saw with my own eyes?
Sir, it's not what you think, sir. Sir, I only came to... My prince,
You only came to do what? What? So when I leave this house, you lure different men into my house to have sex with you. Is that it? You know what? I'm going to talk to my mom and you're going to leave this house for good. I can't stay in the same house with you. What are you holding?
So your package.
Come on, do this to me. It even looks like what I ordered. It has my name on it. Why does it have my name?
So that is what I'm trying to tell you.
And I'm asking you questions you cannot talk. Why couldn't you tell me that? Will you get inside there?
Zena! Zena!
Ma, you called me.
Waka. Must have been screaming your name everywhere before you answer.
I'm sorry, ma.
Go and get me a glass of drink.
Okay, ma.
Ma, please, I'm sorry.
Nonsense.
What's going on here? You're bleeding. What happened? Talk to me, what happened? Chioma! What happened? Talk to me, what happened? Oh my God! Chioma! Did you do this? Chioma! I cannot believe you did this to her. You are very wicked. Just because she mistakenly poured drink on your phone. How could you be this wicked, Chioma? My princess. Chioma! Chioma, how could you do this?
Insult me and go scot-free.
What would you do? What would I do?
Chioma, I am the princess of this kingdom. And you will do nothing.
How could you even do this to your fellow human being just because she mistakenly poured a drink on your phone? I do not care if you are my brother's girl or if your father is my father's best friend. You do not have the right to do this to this girl. Ben must hear this.
Oh, whatever.
Get up. Please go get you cleaned up. Stand up, please. Sorry. Chioma, you will pay for this. Sorry.
Evil, only your jealousy is in fair.
How are you going to? See, you better come back and clean this mess, so. Rubbish.
Jealousy, evil, wickedness, she is so mean, so mean. She is so wicked, very wicked. She's so mean, so mean. She's so wicked, very wicked. She got all she needs. She's so beautiful. She is so sweet and nice, but her character is something else. Ooh, you can force love. Love is natural. Jealousy, evil, wickedness. You are so mean. Jealousy, evil.
Welcome, brother.
Lucy, I didn't know you were around.
Yes, brother. I was in Zina's room, attending to the injury Shoma gave her.
Oh, Shoma already told me about that.
Oh, she did. And did she also tell you what she did to that poor girl? She gave her an injury to her head.
Look, Lucy, whatever Choma did was because she was angry. And you know how crazy we can get when we get angry.
Seriously, brother? You are the one saying this? She was angry. And that is why she did what she did? You haven't even seen the poor girl. And you were saying this. Okay, what if she had blinded her or worse, killed her?
That is the more reason Zina should be careful with what she says or does.
Brother, you are the crown prince of this kingdom and I cannot believe you are saying this. You're supposed to caution her. Instead, you are siding her when you know what she did is wrong. Brother, you are just faking like a child.
Lucy, watch your tone.
I am not your mate. Okay? Excuse me.
Her name is Zina, a beautiful soul, wife material. She has no problem. Can't you see her? Zina, beautiful soul. No be lie, Zina,
My phrase, welcome, sir.
Zina, she's so lovely and beautiful. No be lie, Zina, she's so wise. Zina, no be lie, Zina chala mama chama. Chala. No be lie, Zina chala. Zina, her name is Zina. A beautiful soul. Why Zina chala? She's so lovely and beautiful. beautiful. No be lies in a bochala chala. She's so wise.
My keys. My keys.
She's so homely and hardworking. No be lies in a bochala chala. She's so homely and beautiful. No be lies in a bochala chala. She's so wise. Zina bochala chala. No be lies in a bochala chala. No be lies in a bochala chala.
Easy.
Good job. You don't see how you can see me.
No be lies in a bochala chala. She's so homely and beautiful. No be lies in a bochala chala. She's so wise.
I will take my leave, my prince.
How did I get in my room? It can't be what I'm thinking. No, she didn't.
Zina! Zina! Zina!
Did you spend the night in my room?
No, my prince.
Did Choma or my sister come over last night?
No, my prince.
Then what is this? Explain this.
My prince. I was the one that changed your clothes.
You did what?
You got home drunk, and I tried to take you up to your room, but you threw up on yourself. And I couldn't just watch you sleep on your...
And then what happened?
I undressed you and wore you your pajamas.
You did what? You undressed a prince. You saw my nakedness. You took advantage of the situation to touch me. You touched me. You touched me.
My prince hurts you.
Into... I beg you. Please don't hit me. Prince,
What are you doing?
I was doing it in the kitchen.
Have you eaten?
No, my prince, I haven't.
Sit down, let's eat.
My prince, I can't sit with you. It is forbidden for a maid to dine with her master.
But it's not forbidden for a maid to see a prince's nakedness and even touch it. Sit down.
I'm sorry, my prince, but I can't sit.
Zina, sit down.
Now eat. So how was it? So how did you feel last night? After seeing the man in me? Did you like it? Did it arouse you? Did it make you want me more?
How dare you walk away from me?
Please let me go. You hurting me. You hurting me, my prince, please. doing here and how did you get into my room?
Apparently, you've forgotten that this is my house. And I have the keys to all the rooms.
Please, if you don't mind, please excuse me. Please.
You're forwarding. Same night. It wouldn't be a bad idea if I say yours too.
Please, leave my room. Please. My prince, you asked me to come.
Zina, I'm going to go straight to the point. I want you tonight. Get on the bed and lie down. Are you deaf? I said get on the bed and lie down.
I'm sorry, my prince. I won't.
You won't or you can't?
My prince, I can't do it. Because I've not done it before.
What do you mean by you have not done it before? Are you a virgin or something? How old are you?
My prince, I came working at the palace immediately I finished my secondary school. And since then, I've not gone out of the palace. Until now, that the queen asked me to come and say,
Enough! With this mumbo jumbo you're spewing here. Zina, that changes nothing. Get on the bed and lie down.
I won't and I can't, my prince.
Are you disobeying a direct order from the crown prince? You want to sleep outside tonight?
My prince, they said sex is a bond between two soulmates who have agreed to spend the rest of their lives together. And I intend to keep myself for my own soulmate. So I think I will go with the idea of me sleeping outside. If you don't mind, my prince, I would like to take my leave.
Beautiful soul, no be lie, Zina,
Zina, come and lie down on this bed and spread your legs for me. Zina!
no be lie, Zina, she's only a beautiful.
Zina, I've missed you so much.
I've missed you.
You know, it has been lonely in this palace without you.
Same here.
Zina, what is this? What happened to your head?
My sister. It's a long story.
Hey, it's a long story. Did you fall on the floor?
My sister, it would have been better. At least I will know that I did it to myself.
Wait, you mean someone did this to you?
Who else but Chioma?
Chioma?
Hi. What did you even do to her? My sister. She came to spend the weekend like she always do. She called me to serve her juice, which I did. But the juice mistakenly spilled on her phone. The next thing this lady did, she hit the glass cup on the head.
Zina, a glass cup on your head.
I am telling you.
Just because you spilled juice on her phone. Is she trying to kill you? This is too much now.
Linda, I think that is what she is planning to do. They want to kill me in that house.
We all know Chioma can be very crazy and wicked. But not to this length. This thing is too much. Fine, what did the prince say about it?
Who?
The prince, I know he must be very mad at her. What did he say?
The prince did nothing. The prince did nothing. It was Princess Lucy that came over, saw me on the ground, bleeding. She was the one that helped me. Do you even know what the prince said?
What did he say?
That I, Zina, I deserve it.
That you deserve it.
Telling you.
Zina, but I thought you said the prince is a nice guy. That he treats you like you are not even a maid. Like, how come? What is...
Linda,
Sorry.
that is what I thought. I thought the prince was a nice person. But he's just as terrible as Choma.
Now, wow. My dear, I'm very sorry.
They want to kill me in the house. I am tired of walking in that house, Linda. I am tired.
It's okay, sorry.
I'm tired. My coming here is to tell the queen that I want to stop working in the house. I want to go back home to further my education before they will kill me. Before they will kill me in the house.
Zina, I don't even know what I want to say to you. I'm speechless because this is too much. Thank God it's not even your eyes she like hits the glass cup on.
If I tell you
It's fine.
what I've been going through in that house.
Sorry, I will miss you.
I've been going through.
I told the priest, I even told the priest likes you. That's why I said you should do all those things. Sorry.
Zina,
My queen.
what happened to your face?
I fell trying to come down from the staircase.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sorry about that. But try and be more careful next time, okay?
I will, my queen. Your Majesty,
Yes?
there is something I want to tell you.
What is it?
I want to go back home to further my education. You know, I came working here immediately I finished my secondary school because I lost my dad. And my mother could not afford to send me to the university. Now that I've saved enough money, I want to go back to school, my queen.
I understand everything you have said. Well, we cannot stop you from going to school.
Thank you, my queen. My queen, permit me to take my leave.
You're free.
Make me.
Please excuse me. Zina! Zina, wait! Zina, please wait.
My princess.
Zina, you know I care about you. Tell me the truth. Are you really leaving because you want to further your education? Or is it because of what my brother and Chioma did to you?
My princess, I have always had it in mind to one day further my education. And with all this, I thought maybe it's the right time for me to go for it.
I understand. If you need anything, and I mean anything at all, just let me know.
Thank you, my princess. Thank you. I'll miss you. I'll miss you too.
Come here. Take good care of yourself.
Zina,
Yes, Linda.
I'm going to miss you.
I will miss you too. I will.
Huh? You said you're going back to study, right?
Yes.
Focus, okay? I will. I wish you all the best.
Please, take good care of yourself, okay?
I will.
Okay.
I would have loved to see you off, but I need to do something for the queen.
There is no problem.
Mom, I'll be taking my leave now.
All right.
There is an important meeting I need to attend to.
Oh, okay, that's fine. Lest I forget. I'll be sending another maid to your house tomorrow.
Another maid.
Yes. She'll be replacing Zena.
Why? If I may ask.
She came here yesterday and told me that she would like to further her education. And I know. She didn't tell you?
No, she didn't. Maybe it's because I haven't been at home. I left home very early this morning.
Okay. All right.
Mom,
So,
there's something I want to ask you.
okay, go ahead.
When did Zena start working in the palace?
That was a long time ago. She was so young. Immediately after her secondary school, her father died. And there was no money for her to continue. That was when I brought her here to start working as a maid. Why did you ask?
Nothing in particular, Mother. I just thought as she lived under my roof, I should at least know about her past.
Yes, all the while she's been working here, no other person has come looking for her except her mother and sister.
Okay. In that case, Mother, can I take my leave now?
Go ahead. Take it.
You too, Mom.
Love you, son.
Love you, Mom.
My prince. Welcome, sir. Let me quickly serve you dinner.
That's fine. Have a seat.
Are you sure, my prince?
Yeah. Sit down.
Okay.
I passed by the palace today, and my mother said you came by. She said you told her you don't want to work here anymore.
Exactly as you have heard, my prince. That is why I was waiting for you. I didn't know when I slept off.
Well, I think that's fine, because you are not needed here as well. As a matter of fact, you have been a complete nuisance. You are totally useless in this house. I only hope the next maid that comes after you is not as useless as you are. Virgin. Could that be? No. She doesn't just want me to have carnal knowledge of her.
My prince, your breakfast is ready and is at the door.
Can't you see this love staring at you, looking at you? Can't you see this love staring at you, looking at you? Aboni weranye jafuzu, nye jafuzu. Marano boy honanya Aboni weranya love Anya jafuzo Marananga bu true love Tell me you love me. That's all I want.
I can't stay. I have to leave.
Please don't leave. Please stay. I don't want you to leave. I want you here.
Babe, my prince.
I'm dying for you. I'm dying for you. You're my
Zena,
My prince.
I am sorry for all my actions, all my words, all the things I have done to hurt you. Please forgive me. It was never my intention to hurt you. Zena, the truth is, I love you.
But I thought you hated me.
I can never hate you, even if I try. From the first moment I walked into this house and saw you go down those stairs, my heart has not stopped beating for you. All the insults, all the hurtful things I did to you, I did that to try to push you away. But the more I tried to push you away, the more I fell in love with you. I tried to push you away because my parents told me that I was to get married to Choma. But Zena, I can love no other person but you. Zena, I love you. Please, tell me you love me too.
But it doesn't matter if I love you or not, because this will never work. Your parents will never agree to it. It's Chioma they want for you and not a common man.
Forget about what my parents or Chioma want. You haven't still answered my question. Do you love me?
Yes, I do.
Can't you see
I
this
love you. I do.
staring at
Look,
you?
you don't have to worry about my parents or Chioma, okay? I'll take care of them.
Can't you see this love
I love you.
staring at
I love you too. I really love you. I do.
Albany, where are you, Jaffozo? Marano boy, don't make her cry, Anya Jaffozo, Marananka, but true love. Her name is Zina, a beautiful soul, wife material. She has no problem. Can't you see her? Zina, beautiful soul. No be lie, Zina, she's so homely and hardworking. No be lie, Zina, she's so homely and beautiful. No be lie, Zina, she's so wise. Zina, no be lie, Zina, no be lie, Zina, no matter how this storm may be, no matter how the devil may fight, what is gonna be must surely be. If a chidere dewo, nyabi fekemna, nenua, akade kuchiowa. No be lie, Zina butala chalamba. No be lie, Zina butala chalamba. Her name is Zina, a beautiful soul, wife material. She has no problem. Can't you see her? Zina, beautiful soul. No be lie, Zina butala chalamba. She is a ghost.
Look, there is no way that actually happened.
It's true. It happened.
Look, there's no way I'm going to believe that someone went through all of that and didn't die. Nah.
My prince, he's alive. And honestly, this happened in my village. I'm telling you the truth, I'm not lying.
Well, I still can't believe it. And I asked my mom about you know what I'm talking about. Well, the answer she gives me proved that you weren't lying.
Seriously, you went and asked your mother.
Of course, I have to know the truth.
What is going on?
Welcome, man.
What is going on here?
Welcome, ma. My prince, please, I need to to go back to the kitchen.
What the hell did I just witness? Ben! Ben! I really don't get what is going on again. Why are you sitting outside laughing, giggling and discussing with the maid? Ben, what is going on? I'm asking you a question. What exactly is going on? What were you talking about? Ben.
Zila,
Yes, ma.
what were you and the prince talking about?
Nothing, no.
Nothing.
Yes, ma.
Nothing, and you were sitting very close to him, giggling and drinking juice from the glass. You better start talking now, else I'll break your head with this thing.
Ma. The prince was just asking where I'm from. Yes, ma.
And why would he do such a thing?
I don't know, ma.
You don't know. So because the prince wanted to ask you a simple question, is that why you were sitting there looking so relaxed, drinking juice and giggling? You were looking too happy out there. And look, you're only a maid in this house, so you better know your place.
I'm sorry, ma. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Nonsense.
She is on me, she is so wicked, very wicked. She's on me, she's so wicked, very wicked. She got all she needs.
Zina!
She's so beautiful. She is
Zina!
so sweet and nice,
Yes, ma.
but her character is something
Do I have to keep calling you before you finally answer? Eh?
I'm sorry, ma. I just finished cooking and was setting the dine.
Sorry for yourself. In fact, you're very useless. You're a very useless girl. Every time you make me scream your name so loud.
Chioma. She said she is sorry. Why make a big deal out of this? Moreover, if you need water, you can go into the kitchen and get it yourself. You can't call on a maid on every little thing you need. Come on. Zena,
My prince,
you said food is ready.
you can come to the dining, my prince.
My finger.
She's so beautiful. She
prince.
is so sweet and nice.
You just insult me in front of a maid.
But her character is something else.
Dinner is ready.
Let me tell you,
Let's go and eat.
you can't force this love. Love is natural. Jealousy, evil, only your jealousy is in vain. Jealousy, evil, wickedness in Julobigi. Jealousy, evil, wickedness in Julobigi. She is on me, she is so wicked, very wicked. She's on me, she's so wicked, very wicked. She got all she needs. She's so beautiful. She is so sweet and nice, but her character is something else.
What is this?
What's wrong?
This food is basically tasteless.
The food is fine. It's not the same food I'm eating.
What do you mean this food is fine? Like it tastes like I'm eating sawdust. Zina!
Look, please. Let her be. You have to stop disturbing this girl. Look, this is my favorite food, and she prepared it just the way I like it. Maybe the real problem here is your taste buds. You should get it checked up.
What did you say? I really don't get it. I don't get the reason you're siding with this girl these past few days. I mean, she does something wrong. Instead of you to caution her, you're taking sides with her.
Choma, if he does something wrong, I am going to caution her. But for now, she hasn't. So can you just keep quiet and let's enjoy our food?
enjoy, you see. Me, I'm not enjoying this food. This food is tasteless. I'm not enjoying anything here.
Well, suit yourself. When I'm done with mine, with or without your permission, I'm going to delve into yours.
She is on me, she is so wicked, very wicked. She's on me, she's so wicked, very wicked. She got all.
Like Chris.
Come on now. You can't be that shy.
Of course I'm shy.
Why?
So Zila, you're here. Eh? You're here and I've been looking for you everywhere around the house. Will you go inside and wash those clothes and let in the laundry room? Okay, ma.
Zina.
This way! I don't understand you. Eh? What is it that you've been talking to this girl about? I'm always finding you in one corner or the other, talking in...
Enough! How dare you? How dare you tell her to leave when she's talking to me? This will be the first and the last time you try something like this. You have no right to tell me whom I talk to or who I don't talk to. Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Do I make myself clear?
Yes.
Nonsense.
Zina!
Her name is Zina, a beautiful soul, a wife material. She has no problem. Can't you see her? Zina, beautiful soul. No be lie, Zina, she's so homely and hardworking.
Ma, so you're here? Called me. Yes, I did. Go upstairs to your room. Pack your things and leave this house. Ma? Are you there for something? I said go up to your room, pack your things and leave the house, and you're telling me, Ma?
Ma, did I do anything wrong to you? Did I?
So I should wait for you to do something wrong before I ask you to do. Anyways, your services are no longer needed. So pack your things and leave.
But the queen is the one that asked me to come here and serve the prince. Why are you asking me to leave? What did I do?
I can handle the queen. So go upstairs, pack your belongings, and get out of this house.
Okay, but at least let me wait for the prince to come back before I leave. Eh?
What did you say? Are you mad? For the price? Are you mad? You want to wait for the prince to come back as if he's your boyfriend or something? See, if you make me repeat myself one more time,
You won't be able to look at that face in the mirror. Go in there, pack your things and leave this house and you're saying rubbish. Go inside and pack your things and leave this house. Go inside! And let me count to 10 and you don't come up with your belongings and get out of this house. Rubbish. You want to wait for the priest to come back. As what? Nonsense. In fact, let me go and supervise before you steal my things. Zina!
Zina,
My prince,
what are you doing here with your bag?
Madame told me to leave the house.
She did what?
She told me to leave the house, that my services are no longer needed.
She has no right to tell you to leave this house. This is my house. I decide when your services are no longer needed. You understand me?
I understand.
But you know this is your fault, right? I told you I wanted to break things off with her. But you said no, you wanted us to take things slow. Look at where they've dropped you.
But my prince,
Get into the car.
What are you doing back here? Eh? I thought I asked you to leave this house.
And what gives you the right to tell her to leave my house?
I mean, she's not capable of her job, eh? My father has so many maids. I can bring one of them to replace her.
I do not care how many maids your father has. As a matter of fact, if anyone should leave this house, it should be you and not her.
You're asking me, your fiancée, to leave the house, all because of a common maid like her?
Yes, I am. Isn't it obvious? I am breaking up with you. Yes, this common maid is more of a human than you are. She's loyal, she's loving, she's respectful, and she's honest. Unlike you, who thinks the world should revolve around you because your father is rich. You know what? I'm going in there. By the time I get out, I don't want to see you here. I don't want to see you around here anymore. Zina, baby.
My princess, I'm sorry.
Let's go.
I'm very sorry.
She is so mean, so mean. She is so wicked, very wicked. She's so mean, so mean. She's so wicked, very wicked. She got all she needs. She's so beautiful. She is so sweet and nice.
What is it?
Your Majesty is the prince. Your Majesty, can you know the prince? The prince broke up with me.
Linda, you may leave us.
Okay, we'll go.
What did he say?
Yes, Your Majesty. He broke up with me and he asked me to leave his house. He kicks me out.
Why? What happened? Did you have a fight?
Not at all, Your Majesty. Everything was fine. It's all because of that girl, Zina.
What girl? Zina.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The maid?
Yes. Your Majesty, would you believe that the prince himself told me that he's in love with Zina? He told me himself.
My son, the prince, told you that he is in love with the maid.
Yes, Your Majesty.
No, I can't believe this. He cannot stoop so low. No. When he's not mad, Okay, it's fine. It's okay. You don't have to cry anymore, okay? I'll get to the root of this. Let's calm down.
Okay, okay, stay.
You, don't worry. I'll get to the root of it.
She is on me, she is so wicked, very wicked. She's on me, she's
What is going on?
very wicked.
And why is Choma crying?
She's so beautiful.
She said
Sweet and nice,
that the prince
but her character is
broke up with her.
nice.
Oh.
You can first love. Love is natural. Jealousy, evil.
My princess,
Zina, how are you doing?
I'm fine, my princess.
Oh, good. Where is my brother?
He's upstairs in his room. Should I go call him?
No, don't worry.
Okay.
I'll go and see him.
Okay, my princess.
Do take it.
Thank you, my princess.
You're welcome.
Her name is Zina. Zina, beautiful soul. Zina, wife material. She has no problem. Can't you see her? Zina.
Who's there? Come in. Come on, I could see.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine, big brother.
You're looking good.
Thank you, big brother. How you doing?
I'm doing okay. I can see you're doing fine. You're glowing.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Thank you. Lucy, why are you here?
Do I need a specific time to see my big brother?
Of course not. You know you're always welcome to my house.
I know. I came because I've missed you. Just because we had a misunderstanding the last time doesn't mean I cannot come and see my big brother.
I know. And I have missed you too. Look, I am very sorry for last time. I didn't actually mean the things I said. I thought I could forget someone. And in trying to do that, I ended up hurting the people I love the most. And actually hurting myself too.
Oh, big brother. I'm about to cry.
Come on. Somebody can. Everyone cannot get
sorry.
Oh, please.
Big brother, I understand. And I'm happy you're back to being yourself. The second reason I came.
I knew it. There is always a second reason for you visiting me. What is it this time?
I will always have thousands of reasons to visit my big brother. Chioma came to the house crying. She said you broke up with her.
Yes. I did. Lucy, I'm tired of Chioma. I don't love her. Look, she is disrespectful. She's rude. She doesn't care about anyone but herself. I will never be in love with someone like that. Not to talk of spending the rest of my life with her. I can't.
It's okay, big brother, I understand. She also said you told her you were in love with Zina. Your personal maid. Big brother. Is that true?
Yes. I am in love with Zina. Look, Zina is the opposite of Chioma.
She's caring, intelligent, humble, and I've decided to spend the rest of my life with her.
I go love, oh, big brother. I understand.
So dramatic. Come
I
on.
understand. I'm sorry.
You know I will always support you. But there is a problem. Mom will never agree to it.
Yes, she would, but I think with time and convincing, she'll come around.
Is what Chioma said the truth?
Mother, that depends on what she told you.
She said that you broke up with her.
Yes, I did.
Why?
Because I don't want her anymore.
I picked Chioma for you because she is your best option.
No, Mother. You're wrong. She's not the best option for me. I know what I need. And Chioma is not it.
Maybe for now. But with time, the love will grow.
Mom, I don't want to love after marriage. I want to witness love before marriage. And with Chioma, if I get married to her, even after marriage, I'm not going to love her. I would never love her.
You're getting this whole thing wrong. I'm not saying we don't believe in love. We do. But in the royal household, we don't just marry because of love. We marry because the person has something to offer. You need someone who understands people, who will help you rule this kingdom. And Zina is not it.
Mom, I don't care whether Zina has anything to offer to me or not. Mom, we don't get it. I am in love with this girl. I am in love with her in such a way that I am ready to do anything humanly possible just to be with her. Mom, don't you get it?
Everything humanly possible to be with a maid and discard an educated, elegant, wealthy lady? Are you kidding me?
Obviously, you don't get it.
My prince, so how did it go with your parents? With the way you are looking, it shows it didn't go well. Please talk to me.
Don't worry, okay? I love you. That's all that matters. In time, they're going to come around. They'll realize that you are the woman for me. And everyone is going to fall in place. Okay? We are going to be fine.
Okay.
It's okay.
I brought you here to serve my son. You left your job and bewitched him. Now he has fallen in love with you.
No, ma.
Keep
No, my
quiet. You don't talk when I'm talking. That's exactly what you have done. Because of you, he has left his fiancée, an elegant lady, well-educated, intelligent, everything in a lady is there. He left her for a village girl that I brought into the palace as a maid. Of course, you know it will not work. I thought you would be different. They're just like every other person from your place. You are all witches. Witches and wizards. You have come here to be witching. But your plan will not work. You have to move out of this house. And I don't want to see you anywhere around the palace. May God help you. I come back here and you're here. You will be so sorry for yourself. Leave my presence. Where are you going?
How could you, mother? How could you go to my house and insult Zina, calling her all sorts of names, saying that she bewitched me, when you know that's not true? Mother, I was the one who went after her, and not the other way around.
You went after her because she bewitched you. She made you to look her way. Because I know there is absolutely no way you can stoop so low for a maid, a common maid, unless you're not in your right senses.
You know what, Mom, you're right. She bewitched me.
I said it.
With love and care and attention. Mother, she delivered me from the bondage you're trying to put me in.
Of course, you know I will not approve of both of you.
Mom, at this point, I don't care if you or anyone approves of her. And if you insist, I'm going to travel back to the state with her and never return.
And lose your right to the throne?
Mother, she means more to me than 10,000 throats put together.
Take mother.
Have you seen what Zina has cost? He now talks back at me. He just walked out on me.
That's not true, mother. Zina did not do anything wrong. I do not know why you will not let them be, even when you know they're in love.
Love? What do you know about love?
What do you know about love?
Just leave my presence. Now!
My prince, if you need anything else, I'll be upstairs.
Okay.
All right.
James, I invited you here today because I wanted to apologize. I want to apologize for the way I spoke to you the other time. I had no right to tell you all those things. I went out of line. You have always been there for me. You have not just been a friend, but a brother. And to have crossed the line because of a woman, for that, I am sincerely sorry.
I totally understand, and I know everything you said was out of anger. And you wouldn't have been like that if I myself hadn't disobeyed you, and I'm sorry.
Look, no matter what, I didn't have any right to say all those things.
Come on. Like I said, it's fine. I'm sorry. If I were in your shoes, I would have done the same thing to protect the woman I love. Yeah, so it's okay.
Right. Who said I love her, who said we're together.
Oh, come on, I'm not 16. You loved her, that's why. That was the reason she turned me down. And on your own end, you're in love with her, that's why you got mad when I tried to, get her. So, yeah, explanation. You don't
Touch me. You don't touch me.
be wine. Okay. How about Joma?
It didn't work out.
I'm glad it didn't work out. I'm also glad it didn't work out, really. Bro.
Cheers to friendship.
Cheers. I'm sorry, bro.
That's fine.
Harris,
Majesty, I can't. I really can't. I cannot lose the prince. Majesty, please do something.
Well, my child, I don't know what else to do. The prince had already threatened to go back to the US with her and never to return. And as a crown prince, he should be close to home to understand the tradition and culture of our people.
Your Majesty, are you saying that I should just let go of the prince? I should just forget about him? Your Majesty, please, you have to do something.
I don't know what else to do, my dear. Left to me, I would advise you to just move on. I believe that you might get someone who is better than him. You understand? There's nothing we can do about it. My hands are tied.
Your Majesty, I can't. I can't forget the prince. Your Majesty, I love the prince so much, and I cannot just let go of him. I can't lose him to a common maid. I think I will do something about this. I have to do something. I'll do everything and anything to get back the prince.
Alright. Whatever you want to do, I'm in support of it.
Okay, Your Majesty. Thank you. I'll take my leave. The door was open, so I let myself in.
Sorry, the prince is not home.
I know. I didn't come for the prince. I came for you.
Okay?
Yes. I want you to leave the prince. Leave this place. Go far away.
And why will I do that? Huh?
We both know the prince does not belong to you to begin with.
The prince loves me at his own will. I didn't have to do anything for him to love me. He loves me and I love him too. And that is enough.
We both know you don't love him. I mean, you only love his money. It's very clear to see. So I am here with an offer for you. I am ready to make a transfer of 5 million naira. Take it. Go far away from here. Start a new life. Or whatever works for you.
If you think that I'm after the prince's money, then you are wrong. You can keep your money.
I get it. I mean, 5 million is too small compared to what you would get when you get married to the crown prince. So I'm going to double it. Sweetheart, let's make it 10 million. I'm ready to make the transfer now, so go ahead, call your details.
Like I said earlier, I don't need your money. You tortured me. You gave me hell. And to make matters worse, you came into my room to ridicule me by offering me money to leave the prince. Now listen up. No amount of money will ever make me to leave the prince. Do you understand? If you'll excuse me, I was doing something when you came into my room. Please leave. Get out!
Love is natural. Jealousy, evil, wickedness in love. You are so mean. Jealousy, evil, wickedness in love. You are so mean. Jealousy, evil, wickedness in love begin.
Come get me.
Some days I miss it. So guess where the more.
The meeting is just for 2 gigs. Wait, full merit. Back. And then I'll come for sleep.
Okay. Well, let's wait for your parents' approval of us being together.
Well, I don't know about that, but we'll talk more about that when I get back.
Me? Jesus bless you. Ella? Hello, God, take care.
Hello? Yes, it's me. Where are you? I need to see you. It's really urgent. Yes, I have a job for you and your men. So you will meet me at the usual meeting place in 1 hour. Okay, no problems. I'll be waiting. Please don't keep me waiting. Okay. So everything you need is inside here. I want you to take her far away from this place. Kill her and dump her body where nobody can find it. I don't want a situation where she'll be traced back to me. Can you hear me?
Yes, boss.
Okay. So this
How
is how
soon will you want the job done?
as soon as possible. As even if it's like today. As soon as possible. This is half of your payment, and you'll get the balance when the job is gone.
All right.
You can.
Hello? Yes? Good, very good. Now remember, take her far, very far away from here. Kill her. Bury her body, dump it, whatever you want to do, but make sure that there is no way this will be traced back to me. Okay. Good. Then tomorrow come for your balance. Okay. Alright, alright.
James, thanks for coming to pick me up, huh?
It's not on my friends.
There's something that's been bothering me. I've been trying to get to Zina, but her number is not going through.
My friends, probably she's busy or something.
But for how long? For how long?
Maybe she's busy, that's why she can't get to her phone, my friends.
Nah. I don't think so. Something is wrong somewhere.
My prince, you don't need to worry, eh? She's probably busy, and when she sees your calls, she'll call you back, definitely.
Take me to my place.
No, my friends, let's head to the palace. You know, it will be stressful going home and coming back to the palace, don't you think? So let's head to the palace, my friends.
Okay, let's go to the palace. And from there, we'll go to my place.
Your brother is here.
Hello, son.
Hey, Mom.
Hey, brother.
Come back.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Yes.
James boy. You're welcome.
I'm small.
How's your trip back?
Oh, it's okay. I was okay.
You look worried. What's going on? Are you okay? James.
Greetings, my queen.
Greetings. How are you?
Fine, my queen.
Mama Zina.
Zina? What happened to her?
I've been trying her line all day. But her number is not going through.
Do not worry. Maybe she's not close to her phone.
I told him the same thing.
But for how long? For how long?
Stop worrying.
It's fine. She'll soon be online. So, on me.
Mom.
Drink on me. On me.
What's a seat? Just...
Okay. Zina.
Zina, are you okay?
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Good day, officer. What is going on here?
Your Majesty, we caught this young man where they abducted this young lady, taking her to an unknown place to kill her.
What?
Hey.
Jesus Christ. What's the what?
Why would they want to kill her?
Based on their confession, they say that one Miss Choma paid them to kill her. Yes, and we were informed that she's in the palace.
Who, Choma?
Choma Obidike.
She's the one.
What?
This is the lady that asked us to capture her and kill her.
Choma, you? It was the devil. It's not my fault. Your Highness, it was the devil. I will never do such a thing. Keep it. I'm quiet.
The devil, right? You know, you said you would do anything to have my son back. But I never knew it would get to this extent. Officer.
Your Majesty, do your job.
Your Highness.
Miss Choma Obidike, you are under arrest for the abduction of Miss Zina, an attempted murder. You have the right to remain silent, or whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law. Officer, take her.
No.
Take her away. I can move.
Daddy. Your Highness. My prince. My prince. Daddy.
Take it easy. Take it easy.
Come on, father.
I know she is wicked, but I never knew she was also a murderer.
You see? This is the woman Mom wanted me to get married. To spend the rest of my life with a murderer.
Should go outside.
Listen, has anyone ever told you how beautiful you are? I mean, your eyes, your hair, the curls.
James.
My princess.
Don't even go there.
But I wasn't lying.
She is on me, she is so wicked, very wicked. She's on me, she's so wicked, very wicked. She got all she needs, she's so beautiful, she is so sweet. Her name is Zina. A beautiful soul, wife material. She has no problem. Can't you see her?